Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope so you are fine. Today our topic of discussion is network segmentation. So let's go towards our video. Here we have the concept of network segmentation first, then we have some key aspects of network segmentation, and at last we have types of network segmentation. So let's go towards our video. First, the definition. Network segmentation is a security practice that involves dividing a computer network into smaller, isolated segments or subnetworks. Each segment or subnet contains a specific group of resources or users. The purpose of network segmentation is to enhance security by limiting the scope of potential attacks and reducing the impact of security breaches. So it was the definition of network segmentation. Then we have some key aspects of network segmentation. Isolation of resources. By segmenting the network, critical resources can be isolated from other parts of the network. This limits unauthorized access to sensitive data and systems. Access control. Each segment can have its own access control policies, allowing administrators to restrict access to only these users or ecosystems that require it for their specific task. Then we have reduction of attack surface. In the event of security breaches, the impact is limited to the specific segment that is compromised rather than affecting the entire network. This reduces the potential damage. Then we have compliance and data protection. Network segmentation helps organizations comply with data protection regulations GDPR, HIPAA by ensuring that sensitive information is stored and accessed in controlled environment. Then we have containment of threats. If a threat or malware enters of one segment, it is less likely to propagate to other segments due to the isolation provided by segmentation. Then we have performance optimization. Segmentation can improve network performance by preventing congestion caused by unnecessary traffic between segments. Here we have granular security policies. Different segments may have varying security requirements based on the nature of the resources they contain. Segmentation allows for tailored security policies for each segment. Facilitation of security monitoring. Security monitoring and logging can more focused and effective in segmented networks, as administrators can concentrate their efforts on specific areas of the network. Then protection of critical infrastructure. Segmentation helps protect critical systems and infrastructure from unauthorized access or attacks, reducing the risk of disruption to essential services. And at last, we have the types of network segmentation. First is physical segmentation. Uses physical network devices, switches, routers to separate segments. Then we have VLAN segmentation. Virtual LANs are used to segregate network traffic based on logical grouping. And at last we have subnet segmentation. IP addressing and subnetting techniques are employed to create isolated subnetworks. So it was a video in which we discussed about the network segmentation. I hope so you will like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.